Welcome to Lockpicks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. This time we are celebrating a milestone achievement. Monkey Lockpicks has reached and breached 300 subscribers. Awesome achievement and very well deserved. Congratulations buddy. To celebrate this he has issued a challenge for his giveaway. Us poor defenseless lock sporters have to pick a secure lock whilst wearing handcuffs. Then extract ourselves from the cuffs using improvised tools. The padlock is my Squire Warrior. And the handcuffs are from the Spanish police force. I acquired them whilst conducting a major pub crawl in Magalud. With the padlock picked it's onto the cuffs. I'm going to use a tension tool with the bite taken out of it. If you wish to make one yourself, the bite is 3 mm up from the tip. And to get myself out of the second half, I'm quickly going to showcase these covered handcuff keys that clip onto your trousers. Congratulations monkey, this was a fun challenge. And as always, stay safe and I will see you in the next video.